Hello everyone and welcome to another tutorial of learning Python basics, and in this tutorial we will see how we can work on PyCharm, and we will also practice our first Python programming code, right? So in the last tutorial we have seen how we can download and install PyCharm. In this tutorial we will start working in PyCharm. So after installing PyCharm, if you open it, this is the first interface that will pop up to your screen. Now extremely sorry I am for the hazy screenshot, but all that you need to do is to simply look for the option create new project, right? After clicking that option, it will take you to your main PyCharm file. And this is our main PyCharm file. Over here we are going to practice our code and we will learn Python programming language. Now there are two paths that you need to know about this interface. The first is, if you go on your left top corner, you can see the file location which I have browsed during my installation process of PyCharm, right? And then if you go on your right side, you can see that there are two options, a bunch of 2 or 3 options over here. This option is called the run option, which is basically used to run any program, and next to it we have the debug option, which is basically to debug any code to see if there is any error and what are the errors, if there is any, right? So what we are gonna do is to simply create a Python file first. In order to do that, what we need to do is to go our path location and right click from your mouse and then go to new and select the Python file. Now it is asking you to give a name to your Python file. So for example, we are going to simply type demo and press enter. Now you can see it has created a .py file. Remember, any Python file will be renamed or be created with a .py format, otherwise it won't be counted as a Python file, right? Now we need to go and see our first problem statement for our first Python programming. Alright, so the first problem statement of our first Python code is to print the following lines. So at first we need to print 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Next we need to print hello world, and then we need to print hello world 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Alright, so now let us learn something first. So in order to print something in any programming language, it is not just about Python, but C, C++, C#, Java, or any other programming language. If we want to print anything, we simply need to declare a function called print, right? So let us type print and then first bracket. Remember, this first bracket is called print, and that is how you call a function. So in order to print anything, we declare the print function, right? And inside of that print function, we will type the part that we want to print. So at first we want to print 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So inside of that parenthesis, which is the first bracket over here, we need to type 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, right? So we are all done over here. Now if I run this code, you can see that it has printed the line and has given me the result 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, right? Alright, so we are done with our first problem. Now let's print hello world. So we again need to call the print function in order to print something, and now we are gonna type hello world. Now you can see that a red dotted line has appeared on the screen, right? Now why is that? Let us run the code first and let's see if there is an error. You can see it has returned an error, which is invalid syntax. Perhaps you forgot a comma. Now the thing is that whenever you print anything which is a digit, you can print in this way, but whenever you are printing some characters, you need to use a quotation or double quotation. So in our case we are going to use a double quotation. So now you can see that the red dotted line has disappeared. So the thing is that whenever you want to print any characters, you need to use the double quotations, right? Now if I run the code, you can see that it first has interpreted and printed the line 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, and then it has printed the hello world. And the same way we can print hello world 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, right? And it has printed hello world 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So this is all for this tutorial. See you in the next one and take care of yourself. Till then, goodbye.